Okay, let's add some features to our website. One easy thing to do is to add some buttons to control the mouse tools and to set the zoom levels. I'll add a button, just a regular input HTML button, and I'm going to set its name, its ID, to pan button, and give it a value so that it shows up on the button as pan. I'll go over to the source pane so I can edit the button HTML directly, and we're going to add a JavaScript call into the DotImage Ajax Web Controls JavaScript API. WebImage Viewer 1 is a JavaScript object that was created for you automatically just by dragging a WebImage viewer onto the page, and we're going to call setMouseTool to set the mouse tool pan. That means that when you drag the image, it'll pan around the image. I'll copy that button and make a zoom button, which we'll use to set the left mouse click button to zoom in and the right mouse click button to zoom out. I do that by passing in two mouse tools, zoom in and zoom out will be assigned to the right click. In order for zooming to work, we have to make sure that auto zoom is turned off. So before I do that, I'll just set auto zoom to auto zoom mode none. That's an enum that's available to you on the page. That was put there, includes for that were put there automatically just by dragging the control onto the page. And we'll copy that button and we'll add a best fit button. And what that will do is automatically resize the image so that you can see all of it in the room that you have in your WebImage viewer. And for that, we just need to set the auto zoom mode to best fit and get rid of these mouse wheel buttons. And then we'll copy that and make a fit to width button, which is similar except that it only resizes so that you can see the full width of the image. And you might have a vertical scroll if the image is longer. And we'll just set the auto zoom mode to fit to width. And then we'll copy that. And finally, we'll have a button that sets it back to full size. So after I've pressed fit to width, if I need to get back to the full size, that's what this button will do. It'll just set the auto zoom mode back to none, and then in order to get it back to its full size, we'll just set the zoom level back to 1. So we'll call set zoom 1. And now that's all we need to do to get these 5 buttons working. We'll run it. And so if I click zoom, the left mouse button zooms in, the right mouse button zooms out. If I click pan, I can move the image around. Best fit resizes the image. So the image viewer, fit to width, resizes just the width, and then full size sets it back to its original size. Again, I can zoom, and I still can click on the different thumbnails to get around the image.